In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your recommendations on Substack. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Substack homepage. This is the foundation of our journey today. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Recommendations tab and give it a click. This is your central hub for managing all recommendations related to your profile. As you enter the Recommend Substacks page, you'll see an enticing option to click on Recommend. Go ahead and do just that, and prepare to unlock a realm of possibilities for sharing compelling Substack content with your followers. You'll notice an Add Recommendation button here. Click on it. This is your gateway to actively search for a person or publication that you feel is worth recommending to your readers. It's a fantastic opportunity to highlight those voices and publications that you believe contribute valuable insights to the community. Once you've found that perfect Substack, don't forget to add your personal touch by writing a description. Explain to your audience why you're recommending it. Sharing your thoughts here can significantly engage your audience and provide them with more insight into what makes this recommendation stand out. After crafting your heartfelt description, you can confirm everything by clicking on Add Recommendation. Now let's move on to the Suggested Recommendation section. Here, you have the ability to pick further Substacks you might want to recommend. This section can serve as a treasure trove of intriguing reads that may not have caught your attention yet but could perfectly align with your interests or those of your audience. Head up to the Your Recommendations section located at the top. Here, you'll see a curated list of Substacks you've already put forth to your readers. For each one, if you think an update is necessary or if you have additional information to share, click on the three dots next to a specific Substack and select Edit. This allows you to go into further detail on why your readers might enjoy this particular piece of content. Once you're content with your tweaks, click on Done to secure your changes. You can use the back button to easily navigate through and review other areas. Let's examine the Substacks You Recommend section for further insights. This area is particularly rewarding as it allows you to review the subscriptions generated through your recommended Substacks. At the top, you'll find a breakdown detailing the subscribers you've gained as a direct result of your recommendations, alongside the Substacks currently recommending you. By effectively managing your recommendations, you're building a network of engaged followers, all while spotlighting content you love and that your audience will appreciate. Hopefully, these steps will empower you to harness Substack's recommendation features to their fullest potential, thereby cultivating a dynamic and enriching reading experience for yourself and your followers.